In the wake of the novel coronavirus, the Port of Los Angeles expects goods from international shippers, especially China, to stay below average through at least the first quarter of 2020. But a slow recovery could begin as early as May. And if so, that's some very welcome news as the U.S. prepares to hunker down for an extended period.
The biggest and worst point loss ever for the Dow.
The port is the biggest entry point for Chinese goods to the U.S. and handles more container cargo than any U.S. seaport. Last year alone, the port facilitated a massive $276 billion of trade. It's kept close tabs on Chinese economic activity since the COVID-19 strain of coronavirus began to spread quickly in late 2019. In February, imports at the facility plunged 22.5%, while exports fell 5.7%. This decrease came on top of a slump that ran throughout the fourth quarter as a result of the Trump administration's aggressive tariffs on Chinese goods coming into the U.S. Output from China's factories, hammered for weeks by the public health crisis, investment and consumer spending have all declined. Still, the country has had some success in reducing new cases of COVID-19, and the government said it expects to be fully functional by June. As the number of confirmed cases continues to climb in the U.S., many consumers have reacted by panic buying toilet paper, paper towels, hand sanitizer, and bottled water. But those are goods that for the most part aren't shipped from other countries. The Port of Los Angeles typically brings in things like clothing, electronics, furniture, all of which are coming in at lower volumes right now. The port's executive director, Gene Soroka, is hopeful that by August or September, things at the port will be back to normal, assuming China continues to recover and the U.S. can slow or stop the spread of COVID-19. Even a small recovery in the shipment of important goods, from much-needed pharmaceutical and chemical products to auto parts and iPhones.
It's an indication that at least some things can remain stable ahead of a full economic rebound.